Hi, my name is Dwight Maholitz, President of Effective Managers. Thank you so much for registering for the course, Building High Performance Cultures with the Effective Point of Accountability. Your first task is to download the support materials that we have for you. The first one, I've provided you with a PDF of my book, The Effective CEO, The Balancing Act That Drives Sustainable Performance. In this book, I outline the key systems that the head of an organization needs to have in place for success. We are focusing in on accountability and authority. So do scan chapters 4 and 5, which really focus in, first of all, on how one would delegate work down the organization and the language for doing that. And then the second is for the collaboration of people across the organization, which also relates to accountability and authority. To support you on that, we have also provided you with the PDF of the framework that we use for accountability and authority. This one I have laminated. When I work with clients, I like to laminate a copy for them. And we give you the entire framework for managerial accountability and authority. And then later on in the session, we will be referring to the cross-functional accountability and authority framework. Also in the managerial accountability and authority section, we talk about delegation, and we have a methodology for that based on the work of Elliot Jacks. And you'll see a handout there which talks about the 5 requirements of effective accountability and authority, and also the framework for the delegation of work. Finally, for download is the participant workbook. This will give you an overview of the course. There's a copy of each one of the slides that we'll be using throughout the session. And in addition to that, there's at the front the table of contents. So please do create some time for you to look through the workbook. I've got a couple of thoughts for you in there to review before the session to ensure that you can take full advantage of the work that we're going to be doing together. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the session, and thank you again for registering.